All right, y'all, we're gonna make creamy saltine chicken casserole. We're starting with 1 sleeve of saltines. Get them spread flat at the bottom of your crock pot. And once you got your saltines in place, we're gonna put 2 to 3 cups of shredded chicken on top of your saltines. You can also use rotisserie chicken. I shredded this myself. Once you got your chicken in there, we're gonna start with our soups. Cream of chicken soup. Gonna scrape that out, get that on top. This is gonna be a nice, creamy, flavorful recipe. Once you got your cream of chicken in there, we're gonna put in also cream of celery. I believe this is my first time using cream of celery, even though I've heard it's really good. Once you got your cream of celery in there, we're also gonna put 1/2 cup of sour cream, which is half of this container. Got all the creamy stuff, and then we're going to move on to our seasonings. We're going to put some garlic powder in there. You can do about a teaspoon worth or a little bit more if you're like me. Some black pepper. You do about half a teaspoon worth. And optional but good, you can do a little bit of poultry seasoning in there as well. Once you got all that in there, give it a stir just to get that cream and flavor kind of mixed around together before we continue. Once you stir that around just for a few seconds, we're going to start with our liquids here. We're going to put 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of milk. Now that you have the liquids in there, we're going to give that a little bit of a stir for our final ingredients. And once you've stirred that around, we are going to throw 2 cups of shredded cheese on top of everything right here. And once you got your shredded cheddar in there, last but not least, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter shredded into little pieces, not shredded, but cut. Just spread it around the top of your cheese for a nice extra buttery flavor. Once you got that, this baby is ready to go. So let's put the lid on, and we're going to put it on high for 2 to 2.5 hours. All right, after 2 hours, go ahead and take your lid off. And this baby should be ready to go. So let's dig on in. So creamy. Look at that. That is just comfort food at its finest, y'all.